Parlez-vous anglais? My name's Frank. I am having a party at my house. The party is very popular. There are about 50 people having fun. Carola is dancing with Mark in the living room. They are a couple. Tim, Will, and some other boys are playing some games on Xbox. They are very loud. Martha and Bill are kissing in the corner of the kitchen. She is standing on her toes because Bill is much taller than her. Everybody is having a nice time. Except for me. I am getting sleepy. Who is having a party? Frank is having a party. Is the party popular? The party is popular. How many people are having fun? About 50 people are having fun. Who is Carla dancing with? She's dancing with Mark. Where are they dancing? They are dancing in the living room. Are they a couple? Yes, they are a couple. What are Tim and Will doing? They are playing games on Xbox. Are they loud? Yes, they are loud. Who is Martha kissing? Martha is kissing Bill. How is Frank now? He's getting sleepy. What is Frank thinking about? He's thinking about a comfortable bed. Bye, guys.